mothership.
So there's an LL Bean outlet, but then there's an LL Bean compound. So
Compound?
she called it a compound. We came in here to find the big LL Bean boot, so we're still searching for the LL Bean boot, which they said's around the corner here.
Ooh, bam. Right in front of us.
At the mother store. This is not the big store.
Oh.
The big store's right up here to the left.
I want to go to the big store.
The
They
mothership.
have some really good sales.
Well, you can buy something if you want, but this is not it.
Motorcycle boots. Stylish motorcycle
Those are
boots.
so cool.
They don't fit.
Oh, let's go see if the mothership store has them.
Yeah. I like the Oakley store. Their shorts. And just so you know, if you're military, you get 35% off like lenses and apparel in there. So, but I went with the 50% off sale. It's better. Just remember that. I just found $5. I just found $5.
Should we go play the lottery?
Let's do it. I'm gonna go buy 5 lottery tickets.
Let's go spend it in Under Armour. I was saying earlier, I'm sure you can confirm, we don't even own a single LL Bean item.
Not one.
So we're just doing it because everybody does it.
Yeah, I was looking at shoes, I was looking at pants, and didn't have my size.
What are you doing?
It's chilling time. Waiting on you as you shop.
You didn't want to see me try on bras. Don't answer.
Great, right there.
We're gonna downsize. Finally, there's the boot. What time did we get here? A couple hours ago?
Yeah, like 1:30, like an hour and a half ago, 2 hours? 2 hours ago?
Yeah, just for the bean, just for the boot, and here we're finally getting there. Yeah, it's quite busy. So for the record, we're leaving LL Bean, and we didn't buy anything.
No.
That's all right.
Tried though.
We did, yeah. Absolutely did. Childhood memories. Thanks, Mom. So, no kidding, the deal, my mom used to make these for me when I was a kid. I remember that, Mom, so if you didn't, don't tell me. We had to get a whoopie pie, or I should say, I had to get a whoopie pie. I don't think Peyton had him when he was a kid. So did you have whoopie pies when you were a kid?
I cannot remember. I don't ever remember my mother making them, but it's possible. I don't remember.
I told my mom not to tell me if she didn't make them, because my memory is she made them.
That's right. And she made good ones.
So good. Make me buy some. Does anyone know that the whoopie pie is the dessert of Maine? The official dessert of Maine, they were really smart to make a whoopie pie. That was like the peanut butter filling one. It was really good. Sometimes, or I guess every time, you want to be sure to check the
Hours.
the hours,
And business hours.
the business hours of the business you want to go to. So
Yeah.
we are here at Booth Bay Craft Brewery. And we're going to go find somewhere else to be because it's closed.
It's closed. Dang
Look.
it.
This has happened to us one other time.
Yeah.
So I bet after this we'll
So
get
obviously
better.
we didn't learn the first time.
Right, but I bet we will. We didn't learn the first time, obviously, so now we will
But
probably never do this
if you're
again.
here Wednesday through Sunday,
Yeah.
come to Booth Bay Craft Brewery. It is really cool.
Yeah, it looks really cool. There's some cans up there. We could probably just go. No, I'm just kidding. Just kidding. Okay. We're going to go down into the harbor at least because, you know,
We're here.
we're already here in Booth Bay. This is a Harvest Host, and they actually do have some paid camping. So if you're ever in the area, it's Booth Bay. Yeah, it looks like a really fun place. 1901. Let's go see what happened here. Oh, that's funny. So, the museum in the streets. 9 and 10. Huh. Huh. 1901. Chris and Donna's next boat. Run away. Have to grow up. Get you a new one next loop. Be a fun outdoor restaurant there.
Yeah.
How about one of these houses on the bay?
I'll take it.
I know, it's so pretty. Beautiful.
Get me a boat and start getting some lobster. Checking on catching some lobster.
Yeah, for a living, you don't want to eat them.
I don't know why I did that. I've been watching Sopranos. I had
Lobster.
lobster.
Tony Soprano. Look at all the big boats. It's beautiful. All these harbor towns are really cute. Super cute.